Hi guys, so it's been a long time, I know. A month, I was counting. So today we're going to be making pasta with chicken. Okay, so I don't have much to say, so let's just get right into the pasta making routine. Lego. Okay, so we're kicking everything off with the pasta. So put the pasta in water and bring to a boil. And the next top thing is to bring up the chicken. So for the spices, we're using New Orleans barbecue sauce. Put them in there and get your salts and pepper. Salt, pepper. There you go. And wash your hands, mix them up. Just keep mixing and keep mixing. Every little side needs to get something. So when you're done, put it in the oven. And these are the vegetables we're using today. Starting with tomatoes, you cut them up and dice them up into cubes. Yeah, this is me. Try my best. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And the onions too, dice them up, and the green pepper. I know you like the effect I use here. Okay. So moving over to the pan. So yeah, I'm going to use olive oil for frying the onions, and the brand I'm using here is the Alusud. Use any olive oil you want, okay? Damn. So you add the onions, and okay, let's listen to the sizzle. Go. Yeah, I know. So yeah, you get your spatula. I hope that's what it's called. Damn. So you keep stirring the onions, and I know I just made someone happy in the comments. They're like, "You're using so little oil. What is wrong with you?" So I've used oil now. I hope you're happy. Oh yeah, I'm adding salt and pepper. Where's the pepper? Oh yeah, we're adding pepper. Okay, pepper is added. And then you get a spatula again. Hope is what it's called. And you keep stirring and stirring. Now the main point, the main goal is to make this to caramelize the onions. Okay, as you can see, it is caramelized right now. So you add the tomatoes. I kind of mix the vegetables together, so I hope you don't mind. Okay, so I'm adding the tomatoes right now. And then you go back to stirring. This turned out to be like stir fry. So when you're done, we add spices. This is the magino. So you add maggi into the mix. Now this spice is New Orleans chicken powder. Okay, the last one was barbecue sauce. This is New Orleans chicken powder. Anyway, so you put that in and you stir. Next we have chicken broth. Now this is homemade. I had it in my fridge, so I just used it. So you can just boil chicken and use it. Now this one is cumin barbecue sauce. Okay, now this sauce is heaven. Like, you're watching me adding heaven to my pot. I mean, it's beautiful. Okay, so add cumin barbecue sauce and give it a stir. And after like 4 or 5 minutes, it's done. So get the pasta, which should be done by now. Add the sauce. What sauce? Put everything in. Yeah, that's it. And then you keep stirring again. I used this thinking it won't break the pasta, but it did, like a lot. Should I just use spoon? Please use use a spatula. So we've now added some of the vegetables. The green pepper. The fact that I mixed this thing is just nagging me. But anyway, this is where you add the green pepper. So you add the green pepper and keep stirring again. Now time for the chicken, which was in the oven. Remember? So you add the chicken and you give it a stir again. So the chicken and the juice mixes up, well, the sauce mixes up, and everything comes together. Whew, damn, would you look at that? Look at this beauty. Let me just drink water. I want it. I actually did drink water. Anyway, now, so I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, click the like button and share to your friends, okay? This video needs to get out there. So I'll see you next time. Bye.